Morning.
Morning.
So it's been an eventful morning so far.
And it's only just after 9.
Yeah, we went upstairs and had brekkie.
Before the crowds moved in.
Yeah, I mean I was up at 6:30 and I was up there just chilling. I flew the drone around quite a bit, um, and then went up for brekkie with Cyril and Laura. And after that, I was like, I'm gonna fly the drone a bit more because there was a lot of people. And then I crashed the drone. The drone is fine. The drone is okay. Do not worry about the drone. I've broke one propeller, just a little bit, so I've replaced that. Um, but I crashed the drone.
Oh, yeah.
But yeah, the not fun times. But the
Bit
drone,
stressful.
we got what we wanted though, which is okay. And now I'm going to dump all of our content onto the hard drive because it's been a while since I've done that. But yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Today's plans, not sure yet.
The only real plan is lunch with Cyril and Laura.
Yeah, which would be good. But other than that, no plans.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's it at the moment. Hola.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. The last clip of us dancing was amazing. It
That was a lot of fun.
very fun time.
Very good band.
Very good band.
Yeah.
After which we hunted for ATMs to get cash out.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yes.
But then it got less fun.
Yeah, struggled quite a bit.
Yeah.
Um,
I'm actually also just wondering if, because it's the public weekend, like, they don't have a lot of monies in those
The
ATMs.
yeah.
Like, when we were in Banos, like, our Spanish teacher was like, oh yeah, Sundays, like, if you don't go first thing in the morning,
all the money gets
taken out. Like,
Yeah.
they don't have a lot of money in them. So part of me is wondering if we were just unlucky
Yeah.
because of the public holiday.
But yeah, after that we just came back to the hostel, said goodbye to Cyril and Laura, which was sad. Then came down, edited
Oh,
a video.
hardcore editing.
Yeah, a reel for the hostel because we really liked it here.
Yeah, we get nothing out of it, by the way.
No, bit of exposure potentially, but
Yeah.
it was mainly for us.
Yeah, and because we really like this place. Like, highly recommend, and
Oh,
not
yeah.
even just for the stay, but like the food was good.
Yeah,
The beds are good. The blankets are comfortable. The pillows are comfortable. The place is clean,
yeah, very clean.
which is, when you backpack South America, I think there's not a lot of clean hostels.
Yeah. But yeah, after that we had some dinner. It's a cordon bleu, which
My
was
favourite.
delicious. They do it really nice here.
Like, all their dishes are good, but personal, that's my favourite.
Yeah. And then we said goodbye to Richie and Heidi one last time again. So
Again?
that was upsetting. but hopefully we meet up with them in, who knows, 6 to 12 months, Central America. But yeah, and now we're going to bed. It's like 8:39, but
we gotta get up.
we're gonna get up at like 5:15 in the morning.
Yeah.
We're getting a lift to the airport at 5:30.
Yeah. From old mate Omar.
Who's the one who picked us up from Quito Airport in the first place 6 weeks ago. Now he's taking us back. And yeah, we'll be in San Cristobal at this time tomorrow.
Oh yeah, we will be.
Yeah.
That's so unreal.
We get there midday tomorrow. So
and then I can't believe we're going to I know it's part of Ecuador, but it's almost like, the Cook Islands are part of New Zealand. Like,
it's its own
place. It's almost like its own country. Like, it's completely
unique.
Yeah, and then after that, we're off to Peru. Like, I feel like that's so weird to think about. I've become so attached to Ecuador.
Yeah, country number 4 on this trip, Peru. So, looking forward to that. 4? Yeah, 4. Yeah. But yeah, anyway. Good night.
Good night. Buenas noches.
Buenas noches. See you tomorrow.